Hi guys, welcome to my fidget collection part 2. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my entire fidget collection that I have. So for this you need to go to the floor. So let's see if you guys can guess this right. It's something that we do on the floor, and it's something that you guys have probably seen before. And it spins, and it's a toy, and it's a fidget toy. So you guys guess that? Alright guys, if you guess fidget spinners, that was the correct answer. So I'm gonna be showing you guys these fidget spinners. Okay. It's cool. Okay. Let's do this blue one here. This is cool. Guys, just to let you know, it does not matter if you did not get the correct answer of the fidget toys. It does not matter. I'm just giving you guys the questions if you can just guess it right. Okay, and this is another one that we have to do on the floor. I got a little monster wheel thing. Oh, wait. Oh, he crashed. Okay, let's move on. Okay. And this is like a Rubik's Cube thing. I cannot really do it, guys, but these things are crazy. Oh my gosh, they always do different things. And this is like a Dr. Seuss book eraser, so that's cool. A phone. Oh, this is cool. This is cool. Hello? Anybody home? Hi, Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay. So I just actually lined up in there. It's like a ball that makes noise. Guys, be careful. It's a tarantula coming to the screen. Okay, guys, that was just a joke. It was not a real tarantula. Okay, so let's hope good luck to this chicken, that he lands somewhere there. Alright, bye chicken. 3. Oh my gosh, guys, that was cool. That was cool? Oh, I'm not getting that. I'm getting the wrong thing. Okay, let's try that again. Oh my gosh, guys, did you just see that? That was amazing. Okay. So now this is like a Nerf thing that I got. And this is a little cute dolphin. Oh, I wonder what this does. What is the name of this? It's Dorfamo. Okay, so that's cool. Oh wait, these are cool. Oh my god, this is a keychain. And then this is a poppet fidget toy. A dolphin that I got today, a poppet dolphin. And then this is cool. This is super cool, guys. I do not know what you guys are thinking of these toys, but they're amazing. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys what this is. Okay, so guys, the video is almost gonna end. I'm just showing you guys what these toys are. And then this one I have to do it on the floor. It's a shark. Okay. A minion, a robot. Okay, that we have. And then a Pokemon thing, and then 2,000 likes for part 2, okay guys? Because I don't have enough time so I can show you guys. Okay, so bye, guys. I hope you have a great. No, I actually have a little bit more time. I got some binoculars. If you guys want to see, I'm looking at them right now. Yeah, these are cool. Okay. Another puppet of a monkey troll. I don't know what this is. This looks like a helmet or something. A stage or something. I don't know. There's gonna be some things that we're gonna open soon, so stay tuned for that video. Okay, guys? Okay, I hope you guys have a great day. Remember to like and subscribe this video. I hope you guys love the video. Just to make sure. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay. I went wrong with that. Okay, you guys want to see this? Just like a boulder thing, a dinosaur, a car, a watch, and a fish tank. I don't know what this is. I don't know what the hell that is. It's like a glow-in-the-dark dinosaur. I don't know. Okay, guys. Hope you guys have a great day, and remember to stay tuned for all my videos. I'm gonna be posting Halloween videos soon. Okay, so make sure you stay tuned for that video. Okay, guys, stay tuned.